There is nothing quite magical like the season of festivities. As we eagerly prepare to light up our homes, let's look at some easy ways to use daily kitchen essentials as home decor. Fill a glass tumbler with transparent orbis and pearls, then add some water. Top it with a tea light candle and voila! Your floating pearls candle holder is ready. For a DIY candle holder with a delicate spin, take a glass bottle, remove the cork and fill it up with dried petals. Set the mood with an aromatic candle. Infuse your homes with heavenly aromas. Fill up a glass jar which is normally used to store rice and pulses with dried pot puree and sprinkle some perfume on top. For the next one, take a tinted fruit bowl and place a monochrome glassware in it. Fill it with white pebbles and top it with colorful faux flowers. Store some almonds on the sides to amp up your snack time. Looking for a last-minute cake stand? Let's skip the hassle by layering your crockeries. First goes a dinner plate, a cup, then a snack plate, and lastly another cup. Use the cups for placing your desserts and layer your snacks on the two-tiered plates. If you already have a cake stand, a little bit of innovation can turn it into a beautiful vase for your pearly buds. There are many more ways to exhibit your blooms. Get your hands on a transparent teapot, fill the bottom with white pearl strings, set down your florets in an infuser and layer it on top of the glass kettle. A quick trick for an instant lift to your corners. If you wish to elevate your space with an ethereal mood, create hanging floral arrangements with weaved baskets. Tie in some sponges to the basket with a wire. Which you can then use to stick the flowers in. Gear up your regular tables by using your decorative table coasters in a creative way. If you have a collection that you really love, lay them down in one seamless pattern. The bright and repeated patterns can create a gorgeous corner that immediately catches your eyes. Our homes deserve a special kind of attention, especially around this time of the year. A little change here and a little innovation there can easily brighten up your atmosphere. Use a wooden chopping board as a surface for your candles and fragrances, and create an experience of homemade luxury. Fill your corners with aromatic candles and beaming lights.